Hello and good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to study problems on chapter number 4. I already written problems over here. So, we are going to solve one by one problem. So, first of all, problem 1. So, problem 1 is that a parallel beam of sodium light is incident on oil film which is formed on water for angle of incidence 30 degree, and if we observed sixth number dark fringe, then find thickness of the film. So for given oil film, refractive index is 1.46. Okay, so here in this problem, first of all, given what are the given quantities. Given angle of incidence is 30 degree. Okay, then sodium light, we know that for sodium light wavelength is 5890 angstrom, which is this. Okay, the next lam mu refractive index is given 1.46, and order is given, and we have to find out thickness. Now see here, water is there and oil is over there, and we get interference by reflection. Okay, so using interference by reflection. Okay, and since we observed sixth number dark fringe, so for interference by reflection and using condition for minima, कारण की आपल्याला डार्क फ्रिंज भेटलेली आहे, सो कंडिशन फॉर मिनिमा इज 2 mu t cos r is equal to n lambda. So this is the equation that we are looking. Now in this equation, t, which is thickness, is n lambda divided by 2 mu into cos r. Now here r is angle of refraction that we have to find out. So given angle of incidence, so using Snell's law, mu is sine I divided by sine r. So from this, sine r is equal to sine I divided by mu. Okay, and here we have to find out cos r. So cos r is square root of 1 minus sine square r, which is square root of 1 minus sine square here sine square r, sine square I divided by mu square, so that is square root of 1 minus, okay, sine 30 its square divided by 1.46 square. Okay, so from this equation we get cos r. If you solve this by using calculator, sine 30 is 1 half, so that becomes 1 by 4, and 1 by 46 its square. If you solve this, you will get answer 0.9395. Okay, now put in equation 1. Equation 1 will give us t, which is n 6 lambda, which is 5890 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 2 into mu. Mu is 1.46 into cos r, and cos r is 0.9395. If you solve this by scientific calculator, you will get answer as 1.28 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. So 1.28 micrometer is the thickness of that oil film which is formed on water surface. Okay, now we are going to solve problem number 2. So I am going to rough out this problem number 1. So what is problem number 2? A soap film having refractive index 4 by 3 and thickness 1.5 micrometer is illuminated by white light, and if light is incident at an angle of 45 degree, dark band is observed for wavelength 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Now this is observed by spectrometer. We have to calculate order of band. Okay, so here given angle of incidence we have given 45 degree. Okay, then wavelength is given 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Then refractive index is given 4 by 3. Okay, and we have to find out this order for dark fringe, and thickness is given, which is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter, 1.5 micrometer. Okay, so again here soft film is there, and again we have to use interference by reflection equation. So what are those equation? Using interference by reflection and using condition for minima, 2 mu t cos r is equal to n lambda. So here from this equation we have to find out n. So n is equal to 2 mu t cos r divided by lambda. Okay. Now from Snell's law, mu is sin I upon sin r. Again with this equation we get sine square 45, and here refractive index is 4 by 3, its square. If you solve this, okay, you will get cos r as 0.848. Okay, now put this in equation 1, you will get n. So n is order of interference, which is 2 into 4 by 3 into t, which is 1.5 10 raised to minus 6 into 0.848, which is cos r, divided by lambda, which is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. If you solve this, you will get approximately 7. Okay, so that is the answer. So we are getting 7th dark fringe. Now we are going to solve problem number 3. So this is the solution of second problem. So problem number 3 is based on Newton's ring. Okay, we already studied theory of Newton's ring experiment. In Newton's ring experiment, diameter of 10th dark ring is 4 millimeter, which is calculated by traveling microscope, and radius of plano-convex lens is 100 centimeter, with air medium, which is between those plane and plate, convex glass plate. Find wavelength of the light. Okay, so given in third problem, what are the given quantities? So diameter of 10th dark ring is 4 millimeter. Okay, then radius r of plano-convex lens is 100 centimeter, which is 1 meter in MKS unit. So this is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, and air medium means refractive index is 1. Okay, and we have to find out wavelength. Now formula for Newton's ring experiment, we know formula for diameter of nth dark ring is 4 n r lambda. So lambda is equal to diameter of nth ring divided by 4nr. So this is equal to given. So diameter of 10th is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 it square divided by 4 into n. n म्हणजे किती नंबरची आहे ती 10 number. So 10 and r is 1. If you solve this, you will get this is 4000 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, which is 4000 angstrom. Okay, so this is the wavelength of light which is incident in this Newton's ring experiment. Now next problem. Which is problem number 4. Problem number 4 is a parallel beam of incident, a parallel beam of monochromatic light, means monochromatic means a single wavelength light, is incident on grating having 5905 lines per centimeter. If second order spectral line is observed to be deviated by 30-degree angle, then find wavelength of incident light. So given here we have given 5900 lines per centimeter are drawn on that grating, and second n equal to 2 and theta which is 30-degree. Okay, and we have to find out wavelength. So for grating, okay, equation, what is the grating equation? E sine theta is equal to n lambda. So this equation we already studied. Okay, now here in this equation E is the grating element. So here E is 1 divided by 590 centimeter. Okay, सो ती जी ग्रेटिंग आहे त्याच्यावर 5905 लाईन्स पर सेंटीमीटर आहे. मग 2 लाईन मधलं अंतर कसं काढणार आहे आपण? 1 डिवायडेड बाय दिस. ओके, सेंटीमीटर. सो फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन, from equation 1, wavelength is E sin theta divided by n. Now this is E, which is 1 divided by 5905 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, into sin theta means sin 30 divided by n, which is 2. So if you solve this using calculator, you will get answer 4232 angstrom, means 4332 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, so with this we finish our 4 problems here. So with this our chapter number 4 is finished. Remaining problems you can solve in your home. If you have any problem for solving problems, okay, you can contact me directly. In the next videos I will start next chapter, which is last chapter, chapter number 5, polarization. Thank you.